Hello everyone and welcome to your 7th Adobe After Effects tutorial, the basic tools. In this tutorial we will be talking about the toolbar over here, and we will get to know about some tools and how to use them. So let's start off by creating a new composition. Tutorial 7, the basic tools. Leave the settings at default and hit OK. Now, first, let me teach you how to create a new object. In order to create a new object, there are two ways. Firstly, you can go to Layer, New, Solid, or you can right click in the empty area over here and right click New Solid. Select New Solid, and here you will see the width and height of the solid that you are going to make, and then make comp size button. Just click it in order to make the solid exactly the size of your composition and hit OK. A new solid is made. So let's jump right into the tools. The first tool over here is the selection tool. Now let me make a few more objects. Okay, and one more solid, and okay, so we have three solids over here. So the selection tool is used to select any object, as we can see by its name. So just left click any layer and you can select that object. And also, for example, if I have several objects lined up randomly, let's say these three are the solids. So if I select my selection tool and then click on any object here in this composition panel, it will get selected in the timeline panel. That is, its layer will be selected if I click over here. Now, as you know, by the layer based program that I said to you in the first tutorial, so by layer based, this means that see, the orange solids layer is at the top of the cyan and blue solids. So if I keep that solid in front of these solids, then it will cover the solids of the layers that are below it. So this is what I meant by the top to bottom basis. So now moving on, the hand tool is basically used to pan over the objects and pan over the composition panel. You can just move the composition panel over by selecting the hand tool. The zoom tool is used to zoom in, and by pressing Alt you can zoom out using the zoom tool. There is a shortcut of doing it by using the mouse wheel to zoom up and down. Now the rotation tool is used to rotate any object. Just select the rotation tool, click on the object, and then you can rotate that object as you wish. Now just leave these tools for now, and we will learn about them in the later tutorials. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and these are the basic tools that you will need for now. Thank you for watching.